Good evening and welcome back to another episode of Haklik Racing and Fabrication. Tonight we got a little something special planned. We just got recently a bunch of snow that fell here in Kansas City. Michael's never really been out and kind of played in it in a vehicle. I am, however, just so I don't get hated on by YouTube and anybody else out there, I have a couple motorcycle helmets that we will be using. I plan to kind of rig up a couple ratchet straps to kind of help make sure that Michael is safely in the vehicle. Not that I plan on pushing it to the point that, we're going to get hurt. I just want to make sure he's safe and don't want to catch any kind of flack for it, other than we're just trying to have fun, Boys will be boys. And so, without further ado, I'm going to go get these helmets, go check the oil level on the unit. I want to make sure that it's topped off before we go and kind of rev it up a little bit. And so stay tuned and we'll get to it. Alright, I know I got some oil around here, so there we go. A little bit more oil. There's the helmets. Yeah, I'll probably just put Michael in the one he says is creepy. So let's grab the creepy helmet. This should be fun. Grab these and carry them on. Carry everything. Let's see. Rims for the Prelude. Yeah.
Hi guys.
Alright, we're in the pilot now.
Yeah.
We're gonna go do some snow donuts. Michael's all strapped in, got his helmet on. I got a helmet too. Like I said, I don't plan on pushing the vehicle hard enough to get us hurt. Just have some fun, but to err on the side of caution, in the sake of not being bashed of being a bad father on YouTube, we're gonna wear helmets.
He's trying to be a nice son.
He's got his seatbelt ratcheted down, so he ain't gonna slide around. Scoop the seat up a little so I got a little better control. Lights on. Might as well lock my seatbelt down too.
This is gonna be bumpy.
Please even do that. Nope, those don't do it. Oh.
This is gonna be slippery.
It's gonna be slippery. Yeah, it's already pretty slick out.
Yeah.
There we go. Ugh.
That's always slick.
It's slick out.
It also makes you slow.
Slide. Brakes. And I like brakes. Let's hope nobody else is over there, so we don't have to share the lot with anybody.
It's already
Alright, looks like we're good to go. This is going over to Washington High School's little sub parking lot. It's pretty good sized. Yeah, I'll flip it. You can see where we're pulling in. So it's plenty big enough to get out here and cut up. As you can see, a lot of people come here to cut it up. It's going to be a choppy, bouncy one, but that'll make it fun. Yeah, it's going to be a little bouncy. So,
Yeah.
all right.
When we go to the slick one, they're going to have to put this helmet off.
Let's switch it back.
Like this.
Ready? Let's go. Oh, we're drifting in the snow.
It's breaking my helmet.
It's breaking your helmet.
Yeah.
You're fine. Just hold on. Drift in that snow.
outside action. Better cool it out. There's the police. They ain't bothering us. Cool. Cops just let us be. That's awesome. I thought for sure he was gonna pull in and be like, nah, spoil all the fun. That's cool. Cop just drove right by. Thought for sure he was gonna pull in and be like, oh, y'all gotta stop that. They can't see you. You gotta pull your lid up, kiddo.
That was fun, right?
Yeah, it was pretty fun. A little more. Do one more 360 donut before we get out of here. That was a lot of fun. Spinning around. All right, let's get her going. There it is. There it is. We're just literally spinning in a circle. Yeah! Yeah! Oh, cut it out. Alright. Yeah, that was fun. That was a good way to blow off some steam. Whew, we really needed that.
They're going there.
All right. Yeah, they're about to go do the same thing. Some people just pulled in. They're about to get rowdy too. I'm sure of that.
Yeah. Go.
All right, now we're gonna go down to the gas station real quick, get some petrol. Yeah, some petrol for the metro here.
That was a lot of fun.
That was fun. That was a lot of fun. Hope you guys enjoyed that too. That was like Michael's first official donuts. Figured get to introduce him in the snow. You know, he get a little taste of what having fun in the car's like. You having troubles there?
Got it.
Good job, kiddo. All right, so what do you think? What'd you think?
Good.
Good. A lot of fun, huh?
What do you think, YouTube? What do you think, guys?
Yeah, let us know what you think in the comments below. Like I said, hopefully I don't get beat up on too much for taking my boy out, but I don't know, I had a long day, a lot of snow removal at work. Just wanted to actually have some fun in the snow.
Yeah.
And like I said, we were safe. Yeah, we were just
How
safe.
about you want to do that?
So,
You want to do that too?
thanks for tuning in, guys. We're gonna pull in here and get some gas, and
Yeah. See you
head back to the
Next
house.
one.
That's right. Say, please like, subscribe, and share.
Goodbye.
Thank you, and God bless.
This is